So today I'm going to show you why you need these clips, or this set of clips. You can use it to hold your fender, your bumper, to your fender liner, to your liner for under the bumper. So let me show you a few couple of places where they come in handy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
It's sunset on Friday, I'm stuck on the highway, it's been a while.
That's how you clip it. Grab another one, leave this side. If it doesn't hold it, grab a bigger one. So you also have this to take out the clip.
I'm late to the party, you already started the sparkling wine. I need to find a spark.
Perfect. Then you have another one over there.
To keep me from the dark, I'm looking for a fire star tonight to light me up all around. 'Cause you're the only one I'm thinking of. Don't let me burn to the ground. I wasted time, these city lights, still I can't get you out my mind. I need a fire star tonight. I'm looking for a
So that's why you need clips. So check the link in the description. Make sure you get one for yourself, and you won't regret it. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.